This isn't just another chicken recipe. What if I told you this sticky, glossy chicken was officially featured on the 2008 Beijing Olympic athletes menu? Stay with me, and in just 30 minutes, you'll have this Olympic-recognized classic, Beijing 3 cups chicken on your own dinner table. And I'll share the key tips to make it perfect. Let's start by marinating the chicken. Add white pepper for aroma, cooking wine to get rid of any unwanted smell, soy sauce for a base layer of flavor, and cornstarch to lock in moisture and keep the chicken tender and juicy. Mix well and let it marinate for 15 minutes. Now for the aromatics. Slice the ginger and cut 8 to 10 cloves of garlic in half. We use plenty of ginger and garlic for both flavor and natural anti-inflammatory benefits. Cut 1 chili into small pieces. And of course, the soul of this dish, fresh basil. Next, prepare the 3 cups sauce, Chinese rice wine, sesame oil, and soy sauce, and a small amount of sugar to deepen and round out the flavor. Start with just a little oil as the chicken skin will release fat as it cooks. Place the marinated chicken in a single layer in the pan. Don't move it at first. Let it seal over medium heat until one side turns golden brown, then flip and seal the other side. Once both sides are beautifully golden, remove the chicken and set aside. Instead of adding more oil, I'm using the rendered chicken fat to keep the dish from becoming too greasy. Add the ginger slices first. Cook over medium-low heat until the edges turn lightly golden. Then add the garlic and cook until the outside becomes golden as well. Return the chicken to the pan and stir to combine the flavors. Add the rice wine and let it cook briefly so the aroma can bloom. Pour in the sesame oil, then add the soy sauce around the edge of the pan. This allows the heat to intensify its rich umami flavor. Stir everything together, add the sugar and mix well. Add a small amount of water, cover and simmer over medium-low heat for about 10 minutes. Remember to check halfway through to make sure there's enough liquid and stir to prevent sticking. After 10 minutes, increase the heat to medium-high and reduce the sauce. When the sauce is almost thickened, add the chili. Adding it at the end gives a gentle heat without taking over the flavor. In the final few seconds, add the basil and give it a quick stir. The heat will release its fresh, aromatic fragrance. The fresh basil is what gives this dish its signature flavor. And that's it. High-protein chicken, simple, nourishing ingredients, rich yet balanced flavors in every bite, and simple steps. That's why this dish earned its place on the Beijing Olympic menu. Give this Olympic-recognized classic a try at your next dinner. Thank you so much for watching.